The idea of stress probably seems like it's pretty common sense. The popular interest might be part of the reason there is as much research about stress as there is. This module is a quick summary about a topic that's generated thousands upon thousands of academic articles and books. This recording is just going to consider the beginning of the process, the stressor. The other parts of the process will be in separate recordings. Stressor is the term we use to identify potential causes of stress. As I'm sure you know, that list is long. I'm actually not being overly dramatic when I say that there might not be anything that doesn't have the potential to lead to stress for someone. Given that, the related research and theory has considered categories of stressors as much as specific variables. One set of categories is based on whether it is experienced by our physical body and senses or by our psychological processes. Role stressors are in the category of psychological stressors. I have a feeling you'll be able to easily think about examples as you read about the different types. While role stressors are pretty common sense, having categories can help us better understand the potential role stressors and helps researchers get more details about specific sources of stress. Interpersonal conflict is another psychological stressor and may be completely independent of role stressors. Later, we'll learn about how social support can help with stress, which suggests that our interactions with others play a complicated role in stress. Surprise, huh? The demand control model emphasizes two psychological sources of stress: psychological demands and feelings of control. The idea of the model is that the interaction of those variables makes a unique contribution to work-related stress. If a job is low in demands and high in control, it's considered a low-strain job, whereas a job with high demands and low control is considered high strain. The person-environment fit model takes a little different perspective on psychological stressors, emphasizing the degree to which the individual feels like they fit with their job and with the organization. Job fits based on the individual's knowledge, skills, and interests. More specifically, whether they're consistent with the job tasks. Person-organization fit is based on the consistency of an individual's values with those of the others in the organization. The reading explains more about common sources of work-related stress, and I have a feeling they're pretty straightforward. The demand control and person-environment fit models help us think about the psychological sources of stress and how they relate to one another.